Hi, it's Martin. Whenever I decorate a room, candles are a must-have accessory for me. They look beautiful on a coffee table, in the living room, as part of your centerpiece on a dining room table. In your bedroom, they add that romantic glow, and even your bathroom if you want to create that spa experience. You get the picture, right? This is why I thought, well, why not make our own candle holder? And not just one, but 3 for today's DIY project. Materials needed are 6-inch, 9-inch, and a 14-inch wood table leg, casing blocks, hot glue gun, paint, sandpaper, pliers, and of course, we need candles. I begin by removing the screw that came with the leg, which is meant to attach to a metal bracket under the table. We don't need this, and it easily comes off with pliers. Apply hot glue on the flat surface of the leg and place on the casing block. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the legs. Once the glue dries, attach another casing block on the top of the leg, again with the decorative rosette facing up. This will become the base where the candle sits. You have a bit of wiggle room before the glue dries, so if you're a perfectionist like me, use a scrap piece of wood to make sure the top and bottom blocks align. That was super easy, right? No major tools required, which I love. And the benefit is, you can turn these into dumbbells if you want to work out. Although to be honest, you're not going to get many results here because it doesn't weigh that much. You know, I'm just kidding, right? At this point, you have a couple of options. You can go ahead and stain the wood if you like that look, or you can paint it. I'm actually going to paint it, and I'll show you why once I'm done. On the first one, my hands got pretty dirty, so I figured out the best way to do this is to actually start at the bottom and work your way up, and that way you're constantly holding the top and rotating it as you paint all the surfaces. Also make sure that with your brush bristles, you hit all those nooks and crannies as well. With the paint dry, I'm distressing the finish with sandpaper to reveal the natural wood in some areas. I feel this gives the candle holder a weathered vintage look, which is more authentic, as if I found these pieces in an antique store. So simple and so stylish. Remember, in design, grouping items of 3 or odd numbers and in different heights adds a lot of visual interest, so this project is designer approved. If you have small children or pets, a flameless candle that is battery operated is a safer option. I especially love this style because the outside is made with real wax. If you're gonna fake it, might as well make it look as real as possible, right? Total cost in wood materials for this project was less than $35, so it's very budget friendly. Keep in mind, we created 3 candle holders for that price. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.